Hey guys, this video is going to go over the answers for the classwork that I gave you today. Should be a relatively short video, and I will assign you some more problems. Hopefully you guys are understanding the metric system. So we are on page 614. And so a couple of these are a little bit tricky, but as long as you get the metric system part right, I'm happy. Number 14, Kelly made one batch of raisin and pretzel snack mix. How many grams does she need to add to the snack mix to make 2 kilograms? So if you look at that food for camping part there, it says the raisin and pretzel snack mix is 1,425 grams, and she wants to make 2 kilograms. So that's the trouble. It would be like saying something like, I have, 27 inches of fabric, and I want to have 4 feet of fabric. How much more fabric do I need? You have inches and you have feet. They're two different units. You have to convert the feet to inches there. But in here, you have to convert the kilograms into grams. And so with my handy dandy King Hector died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. I am making my little thing here. Okay. I have here, I want to make kilograms into grams. Remember, grams is a unit. So that is, the units are meter, liter, grams. So we start on K, and we go 1, 2, 3 jumps to the right. Okay, now if you have 2, remember 2 here, and you have your decimal point right here, that means you're going to go 1, 2, 3 jumps to the right, and you're going to place your decimal point there. And now you fill in zeros, and your 2 has changed into a 2,000. That means that you have 2 grams, 2 kilograms, or 2,000 grams. Sorry. Need something to erase. I've been using my hand every time, and it just gets my hand all dirty and everything. 2,000 grams. So you have 2 kilograms is 2,000 grams, so that's what you need to make, and you have 1,425 grams. So from there, you just have to find the difference. What is the difference? How do you find the difference? The difference is subtraction. The 2,000 minus 1,425 should equal 575 grams. Hopefully you got that right. The main part is, did you get the converting from kilograms to grams part right? Next, 15. Kelly plans to take juice on her camping trip. Which will hold more juice, 8 cans or 2 bottles? How much more? So we look at the chart again. We see a can holds 150 milliliters and a bottle holds 2 liters. Okay, so again, this is conversion. It's always easier to convert the big size one to a smaller size, like so liters down to milliliters. It's easier to do that. So we look and see, what are we in? Liters. Liters is the U right here, and we're trying to go to milliliters. So we go 1, 2, 3 jumps to the right. And so we have a 2-liter bottle. Each bottle is 2 liters. So we have 1, 2, 3 jumps to the right. And now, again, we have 2,000. So 2 liters is 2,000 milliliters. But that's not all. We have 2 bottles. So each bottle is 2 liters, which is 2,000 milliliters. We have 2 bottles. That equals 4,000. So 2 bottles are 4,000 milliliters. Okay, that's what we know. 2 bottles are 4,000 milliliters. How do we get that? 1 bottle is 2 liters, which is 2,000 milliliters, and you have 2 bottles. 2 times 2,000 is 4,000. All right, that's what we know so far. We also have 8 cans. We look at the chart. Each can is 150 milliliters. We don't have to convert that at all, so how do we figure out what 8 of them would be? We do 150 times 8. Put the 0 down. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 plus 4 is 1200. So we find out that 8 cans equals 1,200 milliliters. Okay, so it's asking you which one holds more, 2 bottles or 8 cans. 2 bottles obviously holds more, but it says by how much. So we would write our first part of our answer, 2 bottles. Second part of our answer, how much more. How much more is just a simple subtraction problem. 4,000 minus 1,200 equals 2,800 milliliters more. So you have 2 answers. The 2 bottles, or you could even just say bottles, and then 2,800 milliliters more. Number 16, Aaron's water bottle holds 600 milliliters of water. Dylan's water bottle holds 1 liter of bottle. Whose water bottle holds more? Again, you're comparing 1 liter to 600 milliliters. So we actually already converted liters to milliliters in the last one. Let's do it again. Liters is the unit to milliliters, 1, 2, 3. So you have a 1 and you add 3 zeros. It becomes 1,000. So Dylan's, I'm not even writing this one down, it's pretty easy. Dylan's water bottle holds 1 liter, which is 1,000 milliliters. Aaron's water bottle holds 600 milliliters. So it says which one holds more, Aaron's at 600 or Dylan's at 1,000. Obviously no, Dylan's at 1,000 is bigger. And it says how much? Well, you just take 1,000 minus 600 equals 400. Simple. 17. Liz and Alana each participated in the high jump at the track meet. Liz's high jump was 1 meter. Alana's high jump was 132 centimeters. Who jumped higher and how much higher? So again, it's easiest to convert the larger unit to smaller unit. So the meter is going to be converted to centimeters. So let's take meter. Meter is the unit that we're in, okay, because kilometer, hectometer, decimeter, like that, or decameter. This is the unit that we're in. And it goes 2 centimeters, 1, 2 to the right. So she jumped 1 meter. And that's the decimal points right here, 1, 2 to the right. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we have 2 girls, Liz equals 100 centimeters. Alana equals 132 centimeters. Okay, and so obviously who's more? Alana's more. It says how much? 132 minus 100. You can't even do that in your head, then you have a problem. Obviously 32 would be the answer. Last one that you had for homework. Monica has 426 millimeters of fabric. How many centimeters of fabric does Monica have? So you have to do 42 milliliters, centimeters. You have to do 426 divided by 10 equals 42.6. That is the answer. All right, hopefully you guys understood these. The next problems I want you to work on for today, Wednesday, would be page 615. I'm going to have you do, let's say, 2 through 6, 10 through 12, 16, and 17. Okay, I'm going to assign those. You'll see those in the math, and have a great day.